the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about AT&T Prepaid, guys. So I'm on the DIRECTV.com here, and so this article is talking about sponsored data to prepaid plans. I'm not sure what sponsored data is. I have no idea. I've never heard of it. So yeah. So as you guys can see there, it says it's good news for AT&T and DIRECTV. Alright, so if you guys have DIRECTV, you guys could benefit from this. So it says AT&T has expanded its sponsored data program to cover customers on its prepaid wireless plans, offering them the ability to stream content from select partners without counting towards a data cap. So I'm guessing that's what that sponsored data is. It will let you stream content from certain partners without using their data. So that's pretty good. That's awesome right there. The program was previously available to postpaid customers, but it now seems to apply to most AT&T wireless users. While the program is in some ways a benefit to AT&T subscribers, the policy falls in the face of basic tenets of net neutrality by offering some service for free and not others. AT&T gives a huge advantage to those apps and companies because its customers will be much more likely to use them than competitors they have to give up data to use. Not coincidentally, the only three services I could find that AT&T sponsored data are owned by AT&T: DirecTV, UVerse, and Fullscreen. So if you guys use any of those services, you guys use any of the services, if you guys stream on that on your device, on your AT&T phone, you guys will not get charged data for that. So yeah. So if you're an AT&T wireless customer and deciding between DirecTV Now and a competitor like Hulu or Sling TV, like this program gives the AT&T owned service a huge advantage. Now, I guess it's only for AT&T Pacific apps and shit like DirecTV and shit, UVerse and Fullscreen. So yeah. So if you guys have those services, you guys will be able to watch shit on your phone without it counting against your data. So that's pretty good. So that's what sponsored data is. So it says AT&T sent out a text message. It says AT&T sent a text message out to prepaid customers today or yesterday rather, announcing the change, writing that now your plan includes sponsored data. This means, for example, that customers who have DirecTV or UVerse TV can now stream movies and shows without it counting against their plan data. Customers on AT&T's two cheaper prepaid plans will automatically be opted in to use the sponsored data. So if you're on the $30 or $40 plan, I think it's $30 or $40. You guys will be automatically opted in. But if you're on the higher tier plans, you guys will have to opt in yourself. So that's the text message right there, and it says AT&T free message. Now your plan includes sponsored data. This means, for example, that customers who have DirecTV or UVerse TV can now stream movies and shows with the TV app without it counting against their plan data. Available only in the U.S. Excludes Puerto Rico and U.S. Virgin Islands. See att.com/prepaid sponsored data. So y'all guys can check out that the site there. I'll put a link to that in the description video. So check that out if you guys want to learn more. I might actually get to the website here in this video. So yeah, it says because the FCC net neutrality rules are now a thing of the past, AT&T is totally in the clear for offering a service like this, and it's not surprised that the company is continuing to expand it. Other carriers have jumped on board, including Verizon, which launched a similar program back in 2016. So if you guys have AT&T Prepaid, you guys have sponsored data, which means y'all guys can use any of the services mentioned and stream movies and TV shows without it counting against your data. So that's pretty good. So you can use DirecTV Now, Uverse, and full screen apps. So if you guys want to check this out, do so. You obviously have to have DirecTV, obviously, for it to work and all that and whatnot. And you gotta have Uverse TV service for that. So let's go check out that sponsored data thing. The att.com/prepaid sponsored data. I hope I spelled that right. I'm hoping I did. Here we go. So it should take you here. Like I said, I'm gonna put a link to this in the description video. So check this out. It says opt in or out of AT&T's prepaid sponsored data. Find out how you can browse, stream, and enjoy content from data sponsors without using your monthly AT&T prepaid data plan allowance. So they got like FAQs and all that shit. Introductions and information. How to turn AT&T prepaid sponsored data on and off. You need to be logged into complete the steps, obviously. So you need to be logged in for this to work. Your initial password is the last 4 digits of your wireless phone number, so keep that in mind. So what you do is go select manage data, toggle on or off. It's like save changes, so that's pretty much self-explanatory there. See sponsored data usage details. You can see sponsored data usage details once you've logged in. Choose account history and search for sponsored data. The sponsor's name is provided. About AT&T's prepaid sponsored data. Sponsored data allows companies to sponsor the data usage for specific content on behalf of eligible AT&T wireless customers. If you're on a $35 or $45 monthly plan, your account will be automatically opted in for sponsored data as long as you remain opted in. The amount of sponsored data used doesn't count towards your monthly high-speed data allowance. For an example, if you have DirecTV Now, you can stream your favorite shows through the DirecTV app virtually without using your monthly data balance. Learn more about data-free TV. You must have high-speed data remaining in your monthly allowance to entertain a sponsored data session. Restrictions and exclusions apply. So if your data is throttled, so let's say you use all your high-speed data, and your data is throttled, I don't think the shit's gonna work. So you can check this out here. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description video, so check this out. And let's check out the data-free TV. It should bring you here. I'm also gonna put a link to this as well. It says about data-free TV. Get details about streaming TV on your devices using the app without using your AT&T wireless data. Data-free TV details. If you're an AT&T wireless customer or select AT&T prepaid customer and you have DirecTV Now, or Uverse TV, you can stream most movies and shows with the respective app anywhere without it counting against your data amount. This includes live and recorded shows. Data-free TV eligibility. This offer is available to eligible AT&T wireless or AT&T prepaid customers in the United States only. Not available in Puerto Rico or the U.S. Virgin Islands. International roaming is not included in this offer, and data charges will apply. So do keep that in mind. Streaming content. This feature is for viewing content while signed into the DirecTV Now or US apps only. Advertisements and non-streaming app activity may occur. Data usage. Exceed your monthly shared advantage data amount. If you reach your data amount with your mobile share value, mobile share advantage, or mobile share flex plan. All data usage, including that of data-free TV, will be slowed to 128 kilobytes a second for the rest of your billing cycle. You will not be able to stream videos during this time. If you want more high-speed data, you can change the wireless plan. Learn more about AT&T Unlimited Plus and the AT&T Unlimited Choice Plan. That's for postpaid right there, guys. Right? That's for postpaid. Learn more about data-free TV. Y'all guys can click on these links here and get frequently asked questions about that. Just get the free DIRECTV app. So you can click on that, and click on that. So yeah, check out this link as well. I'm gonna have a link in this video. So yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. So if you guys want on AT&T Prepaid and you guys have DIRECTV, UVerse, and full screen service, you guys will be able to stream stuff on there without it using your data on AT&T Prepaid. So that's pretty damn cool. And if you're on the $35 or $45 plan, you're automatically opted in to the service, but you can opt out if you guys want to. If you're on the $50, $60, or $85 plan, you guys will opt in yourself. So do keep that in mind. So you only get like three things that's it. You only get like three services that you can stream without it using your data. DIRECTV Now, UVerse, and full screen there. So yeah. So that's pretty interesting, guys. And yeah, I want to know, do you guys got any other services? Do you guys got DIRECTV Now, or UVerse, or anything like that? And do you guys think that this is a good idea? Do you guys like the idea, or what's your opinion on this? I'd like to know that in the comment section of the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.